welcome back to my channel. My name is Maggie Hardy, and hi, how are ya? How are y'all doing? Today I am going to be doing a tutorial with the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte Eyeshadow Palette. This palette right here, this is the palette. You guys, this palette is absolutely stunning. The colors are true to what they say they are. And I just love matte palettes. This retails for $24 on BH Cosmetics. I know they are cruelty free. If you're looking for an affordable brand, BH Cosmetics is definitely the place to go. You guys, they always have sales. They always have anywhere between 20 to 40% off of products. So you can literally get an eyeshadow palette for like $8, which is not bad. It's actually better than going to Walmart and getting a drugstore eyeshadow, because drugstore eyeshadows these days are now $15. So you guys always make sure to go check out BH Cosmetics. It is definitely worth it. The shadows blended perfectly. They are pigmented, they're beautiful. I absolutely love it. That I've spoken my thoughts on the palette, I'm gonna get into the tutorial. But before we do that, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Also, you can follow me on all my social medias. Everything's linked down in the description box. Hit that bell notification so you know every time that I upload. And you guys, if you want to see more tutorials with this palette, definitely let me know. Y'all, let's just get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so to start this tutorial off, let me just say my eyebrows are like this because I've been using powder. I do my eyes before I do my foundation, my base on. I just went in with some concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and we're just making sure that that is not crease. So this is going to be the first shade that we dig into. I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics 101 brush. This is going to be our transition shade. So I'm just going to feather this all above my crease. Okay, so this is going to be the second color that we go into. And I'm using a Sigma E35 blending brush. And I'm going to put this right in and above my crease. Circular motions and taking it into the inner corner when there's nothing left. Okay, the next color I'm going to go to is going to be this burnt orange shade right here. And I'm using my Juvia's Place 006 blending brush, and I'm just going to tuck this right into my crease and start working that on my outer corner. And then the shade before that, and blend that out. Going into this shade here, we'll put this on our outer V, and then I will go in and start blending that out. And then when I have what's left, I will slowly and gently take that into my crease. Okay, so now we're going to dig into this brown right here. And I'm going in with my BH 105 pencil brush. And this I'm going to keep even smaller into my crease. And I'm not going to take this all the way in. I'm just going to partially take this in for when we cut the crease. We have that definition in our eye. Going back in with the brush, with the Juvia's brush, go in here and ever so lightly blend that out. I will then take some concealer on the back of my hand, and I'm going to go in with Alamar Cosmetics to cut my crease. And if you have hooded eyes like I do, you just want to look forward and place it right where you know you can still see the shadow when looking forward. Blend the shadow into the concealer. And then after that, I'm going to dig into black, and I'm going to place this right in this outer V, and then drag this in to my lash line. Okay, I know this is an all matte palette, but I want to add glitter, so that's what I'm going to do. And instead of using adhesive, glue adhesive, I'm going to go in with the Stila Cosmetic, and this is in the shade Kitten Karma. After I do that, I'm going to take a very small shadow brush, it's actually a concealer brush, and get that precise, and then blend that into the shadow. Now that I have that, before it actually sets, I'm going to go in with some BH glitter. This is in the color Lit into the container, and then I will just place this all where this glitter is, all where the sparklies are. Now that I have that done, I'm going to go in with the Vinyl Liquid Liner. And I'm just going to give myself a little bit of a line just to ensure for my falsies. Then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline gel liner and just blend that out, just to really intensify that black. Then to go in with the black shadow once again to ensure that everything is nice and blended out. For the transition, I used Lilli lashes in the style Meek Hollywood. I put Marc Jacobs black liner in my waterline. And then I also, for lipstick, I used the NYX Super Clinky, and this is in the color Secret. I'm just gonna take a flat brush and use that black eyeshadow and really just smoke this out. Connect the outer black into the inner black and really just smoke this out. Okay, after you put the black in the waterline, I'm going to dip into a couple shades. I'm gonna dip into this shade right here, and then I'm also going to dip into this shade right here, and I'm really going to smoke and blend out my lower lash line. So I want to connect all of this with the top. I'm going to take a clean blending brush because I smoked this out just a little bit too much. So I'm going to just dip into this shade right here, which would be probably the closest to my shade, and lightly transition that again. Blend it out just a little bit more. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go into my Benefit Roller Lash, and I'm just going to coat this. I probably won't put it in the video. Okay, and to highlight my brow bone in my inner corner, I'm going to go into the Nueve palette. And I'm going to go into this shade right here. And then just to blend that out, you don't want that too harsh. Just the BH brush again. Okay, you guys, and this is the finished look. What y'all think? I know it is an all matte palette, but I wanted to add some glitter, and you don't have to. You can just go in with one of the lighter shades and do a cut crease if you want to. I highly recommend BH products because I have probably 5 or 6 of their palettes, and I mean, if you can see the pigmentation and the blendability that I have with this palette, absolutely amazing. I absolutely love all matte palettes. I think this is the only one that I have, but I know I have one in the mail coming, and I can't wait for that one. If y'all have any all matte palettes that y'all love, definitely let me know because I would love to check them out. I don't use shimmers too much. If I do, it's usually a pigment or a glitter. So you guys definitely let me know if y'all have any recommendations on that. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell button. Give it a big thumbs up and check the description box for all my social medias. You guys have a wonderful, blessed day, and I will see y'all again very, very soon. Bye, y'all.